Hi everybody, it's Dave Dunbar with General Pipe Cleaners. You know, people ask about the jetters. Why use a jetter? When should I use a jetter? Well, when there's grease or soft stoppage, like sludge or anything like that on the line, the jetter is the right tool for the job. For example, our JM1000, the mini jetter. This was designed for kitchen sinks. We find that about half to 3/4 of the grease that's coming up today's world is within about 10 or 15 feet of a kitchen sink down the drain. Now you could go through this with a snake-style machine, a cable-style machine. It would poke a hole in the obstruction and water would start to flow. But usually within a few hours to a few days, that hole will heal and it will plug back up again. So you'll be going back out there. If you go in with a jetter, afterwards it looks like a clean pipe. And that holds true for every level of jetter, the small, medium, as well as the large units. These are very good at getting grease, sludge out of a 4-inch line. It can be the same thing. You have a lot more sludge and grease and soft stoppages in the lines today because of low volume flush toilets and also our diet. So soft stoppages, the right tool for the job is a jetter. Okay, so General Pipe Cleaners, the toughest tools down the line.